Jim, thanks for joining us today. Can you talk a little bit about the history of Cycle 30, the rich history of the company, and what you've been up to for the last 20 months?
You bet. Cycle 30 is really unique in the billing space. We're the only billing provider that's also an operator. So we come at this business with a very different perspective. We're not a software provider. We actually understand what operators need every day of the week. So our history is having spun out of an operator about 2 years ago. I'd say what makes us different is first, the operator heritage. Second, we use technology in really innovative ways. We're based in Seattle, Washington, in the hub of the telecom technology sector, and certainly understand how to leverage that technology to make the operators' back-end processes more efficient and effective. And lastly, a number of us come out of Nordstrom and have a strong belief in that old-fashioned thing called customer service.
And what are some of the major milestones you've experienced over the last 20 months?
Well, we've been really fortunate to immediately get into the M2M sector. Not something we were looking for. It frankly is something that an opportunity kind of fell into our lap, and it was a great fit with our background, with our technology focus, and signed a couple of really wonderful contracts, one with Arrow Electronics, as they're entering into the M2M business with their existing large customer base, and a second that we announced here at the show with Device Cloud Networks, where they're going out and enabling operators around the globe to get into the M2M business. In both of those cases, we're the technology platform behind them.
What are some of the core products and services that you offer today?
Well, we covered the full spectrum of telecom and cable services as well as M2M. So a complete quad play telco or cable, both commercial, complex enterprise, and residential, as well as wholesale. So we have the complete breadth of back office, or as we call it, order to cash, products and services.
So that includes product catalog?
Absolutely.
Provisioning?
You bet.
Billing?
Inventory, activation, provisioning, inventory, workforce management and dispatch, analytics. We're big into analytics, especially predictive analytics around churn management and the like.
Okay. And all of it has been built by?
It's all built by Cycle 30, and we run it out of our data centers in Denver, Colorado, and in Scottsdale, Arizona. The company's headquartered in Seattle.
So talk to us about the next 12 to 18 months. What is your kind of next wave of go-to-market and who you're targeting?
Sure. We're talking to an awful lot of cable companies right now that want to get into the commercial enterprise business. I think they're seeing those broadband connections and the ability to offer a quad play to a commercial complex customer as a real growth opportunity. It's not typically been their sweet spot. There's a lot of opportunity there. Lots of conversations going on with various MSOs around the globe, specifically about commercial complex enterprise. Also, more and more M2M. We think M2M is just in the infancy. We see an awful lot of M2M and an awful lot of new and innovative models coming about with new technologies, whether it's wireless or fixed, but in the M2M sector as well.